Hello storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a handwriting practice worksheet using one of Storyboard that's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now first we're going to pick out a template that we like. Now we have a few nice options here. I think I'm going to go with this first one. It has a lot of room for us to practice writing. Just click the copy template button below and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. So you can name this whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine template 1 and click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add characters, items, update any text, whatever changes we want to make. So first, I would like to add a character. Now we have this nice character here, but let's give them a friend. So if we go up to our characters menu, let's search under kids, and let's grab this one. So all you have to do is just drag and drop your character into the storyboarder, and now we get to customize. This is where we get to update facial expressions, poses, change colors, whatever it is that we want to do. With your character all set, just click Update Pose, and there we go. Now you can move your characters anywhere you would like in the storyboard, as well as resize them. So to do that, just drag the corner of the image, and there we go. Now if you notice, I'm resizing my character right next to the original one, so they're about the same height. So let's slide our character over here. But if you'll notice, this character is now blocking these lines. So let's select these lines. If you highlight the lines, make sure you grab the entire thing. It will grab that. But I've grabbed my character, so I'm going to deselect them. And let's shorten these lines here so we don't have anybody in the way. All right, perfect. Now next, let's go over items. Now you can browse the items menu and go through all of these nice categories, but if there's something specific that you want, you can search for it in the upper right hand search menu. Now let's add a pencil. Let's go to our school category. All right, and here we go. We have a pencil right here. Just like our character, we drag and drop into the storyboard, and let's resize it. It's a little small, but I think I'd also like to rotate it. So you can rotate items and characters. Just go to the top center of your item with this little button here and just drag and turn. All right, there we go. Now next is background images. Now with this template, it didn't come with any pre-built in colors or scenes, so let's add our own. If we go up to our scenes menu, let's add something really simple. So we're going to go over to the patterns category and let's add in this low opacity yellow right here. So just drag and drop. And with our scene in our storyboard, let's go to the right hand menu and click Stretch to Fill. All right, let's select this one and click OK. All right, now that we have our scene in place, let's send this to the back of our template because it's currently covering everything up. We send it all the way to the back. There we go. Now, I think this yellow is nice, but it's still a little dark. I really want to focus just on our writing. So we can update the color in the right hand menu here. But if we want to make this a custom color, all we have to do is click this box here on the right side, and we can select any color that we want. So let's make this a touch lighter. Now when you have the color you like, just click Choose, and there we go. Now last but not least is text. Now you can customize any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is select them, and you can put in your own words. So let's call this Practice Writing. All right. Now, I think I'd like to change the font and make this much, much bigger. So to do that, just highlight what you want to change, and let's go over to our text editor, and let's have a nice handwritten font. I think this looks good. All right, but we need this to be much larger so we can see it. If we select our font drop down, let's go with something really big, like 90. All right, perfect. Now, I would like to change this color of the text as well. That way, if we're working on our practicing our writing, we're not going to get confused on what is the title, what we're actually writing, if we're writing in a pencil. So let's maybe make this purple. Excuse me. So highlight the text you want to change, go over to your text box, or your text editor, and in this drop-down menu on the right side, we can select any color we want. So let's go with this nice purple, and there we go. Now, just like our characters, you can move and resize any pre-existing text box or any that you want to add. Just drag them wherever you would like to go. And if you want to add any new text boxes, just go up to your speech bubbles right here and grab any one of these great options. Now, when you're all done making the edits to your template, All you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button that's in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make a template using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.